Hi everyone, my name is Peyton Mayer. I am a campus Gleim representative, and I'm here to unbox this package that I received. So the first thing I opened in the box was this paper bag. Bag that says "Now is your turn." Gleim CPA review, and on the back it says over 1 million CPA exams passed using Gleim. This is perfect. I can use this when I'm in the stores, or because New York State banned plastic bags, I can use this when I'm grabbing textbooks. So it's a good overall, pretty sturdy bag. Next, right here, I have a water bottle. This is Gleim Exam Prep, CPA, CIA, CMA, EA. Join the millions who have passed with Gleim. This is perfect. I can use this when I'm at work. I can put water in it, I can put coffee. Overall, it's very nice, sturdy. Next, I have a mask from Gleim. This is Gleim Exam Prep. It's a pretty nice, very thin mask. It won't be too heavy when I'm at work or I'm out because of COVID. And right here we have posters from Gleim. I'm just going to show a little bit of them. It says, the millions who have passed using Gleim. I just don't want to open it because it's going to take me a while to put it all back in because it took me a pretty long time. Let's say like 10-15 minutes just to open this thing up. So overall, it's a very nice product. And next we have Gleim hashtag Future CPA. Very nice shirt. I really like this. And right here we have Cost I Said So. It's a good shirt. I like that shirt. And right here we have, it says Gleim Campus Rep, Ask the Expert. So I'm an expert. So if you have any questions, you can always ask me. And last but not least, we have a shirt that says Life O the Party. I thought I was reading that wrong, but I like the shirt too. And next we have PopSocket. Check out these capital gains. The guy, flexing with a bunch of weights. And next we have pens. There's red, blue, and green, and gray. These are going to be given out at the, if we ever come back to campus, during special events. Next we have cups. We got a ton of them. A lot of friends that use all of these. These are actually pretty nice. It says Gleim CPA, CMA, CIA, EA. And it says join the millions who have passed with Gleim. I'm happy to be with Gleim. Put these right here. Next we have, there are 3 sets of notepads. And they say Gleim Exam Prep, Gleim.com. These are overall pretty nice, 3 stacks. Let's put these down right here. Next we have Gleim Proven Exam Preparation. These are little flyers. These are behind me. And right here we have, it says Gleim CIA Review. These are another flyers. Here's the back of it. And right here we have, download your free copy at gleim.com/passcia. This is another Gleim does CIA review. And let's make sure, yeah, right there. Right here we have Gleim's Exam Prep, advance your career with the benefits of a CPA and CMA. There's a bunch of facts that accountants make more money with the CPA. Here's the back, junior and senior year, telling you when to take all the exams and stuff. It's pretty helpful. Here we have, it says Gleim Exam Prep, dual certification made easy. There's more statistics on when to take the exams and all that, just like with the CPA. Here's the back as well. Here's some more flyers. Just a sec. Gleim CIA Review. Right here, you can save 20% on the 2019 Premium CIA Review. Here's the back. Pass with the CIA Review course, with the #1 CIA Review course. There's some more flyers. Gleim is 2019 Gleim with SmartDef Premium EA Review. Here's the back. equip your classroom with highly exam quality questions. Right here is another flyer. And we have another one, join the 200 plus schools worldwide using Gleim. So it's another flyer. Used by top 10 accounting programs and any other provider. That's really good. And we have right here, Online Accounting Career Center. Another flyer. Free Accounting Career Guide. Right here, another flyer. A couple more flyers. Here it says, get your free copy of the CPA, number 1 CPA exam guide. And right here is the Smart Guide. And right here it says, earn your exam materials as a Gleam Campus Rep, which is what I'm doing right now. Overall, great program so far. And here's the back. Number 1 EA exam prep. And so here it says, take a look at the free EA exam guide. And here's another one, Gleim. Make sure your students know the advantages of EA. And how can you help your students move ahead? These are another really nice flyers. Ooh, no. Last but not least, we got some Gleim 21st edition financial accounting. Pretty thick book. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of questions. I don't know if you can see that. A lot of questions over here, and then the answer explained on the side. Overall, really in depth. And this is another flyer, Most Trusted CMA Review, Gleim. And you can save 20% on the Gleim Premium CMA Review. Last but not least, Business Law and Legal Studies. It's from Gleim. It's another same thing. There's just a bunch of questions, and then they have the answers explained inside. I would just like to thank Gleim for sending me this wonderful package, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.